Once again, this is why we tell everybody to bring their tank so we could see. That's the inside of his fuel line. That's the inside of that fuel line.
See it on the ball?
Yeah.
I mean, look, down in there. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, it was just completely clogged up. That's his old fuel line. Anyway, fuel filter, impeller, spark plug, built his carbs, new fuel line. Okay. Probably wondering why it didn't run. I